Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. This is a quick video to announce the winner of my 2019 Draw It, Win It contest. First, I want to thank everyone who entered. There were some great entries and I had a hard time choosing which drawing to use. In fact, I had Todd help me go through the drawings to narrow it down. Well, we decided that the winner is David Denton. He is an artist of the YouTube channel David Denton Art, and I love the depth of his drawing and all the details he included in it. David, once the artwork is done, I will get in touch with you so I can send the original to you. Well, thank you again to everyone who entered. I plan to make this a yearly event, so you have lots of time to create a drawing for the 2020 contest. Well, that's it for this video, and I will see you next week.